Okay guys, right before I show you that video, I better jump in and just show you this. I knew that was a 12 millimeter that I'm about to use on this video, so that's what I got. And this plug is good from 12 to 16 millimeter. And I'm gonna show you the video in just a second, but that's about what the plug looks like. You can get these at any auto parts store. And here is the magnetic tool removal as well. So let's get to the video and I'll show you how it works. Okay guys, we got a Mazda Tribute here. I wanted to show you this new oil plug that they got. And this is for not just a Mazda, but any oil pan that's aluminum pan. If you see this type of plug, or you cannot use your old plug because it's stripped, that's why this one was replaced. It was stripped. This tapers in and gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So you can run it in until she won't run in anymore. Only on aluminum pans. And it ends up cutting new threads. So if you've stripped the threads and you can't find the right bolt, you want to get yourself one of these. Now, if you come across one of these and you're not sure how to use it, do not unthread this and take it back out. You can use a pair of pliers here too, or vice grips, but if you don't want to screw up this end, this is a magnet here, you don't want to screw it up, then here's the little nifty tool that you use. I'll put a link in the description below for both of these if you want. But here's the tool that you use, and it's just a magnet. And you just grab it and pull it out. That's it. So let me stick it back in there so we don't waste all the oil. And now that is also a magnet. So you see how I grabbed hold of it. I can just take it off of this and just push it in with my finger, and that's it. There's no tightening, there's no nothing. It seals on its own. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.